Hello, my Dorian fans. This morning I had haggis in a muffin with some other stuff. It's very tasty. I like haggis. I'm going to have some more tomorrow. Hopefully with black pudding. Yeah, lots of emails today. But the main event was I had a driving lesson. I think it went very well. Had a good time. Did reversing, did turning left, starting, stopping, traffic lights, going through traffic. Only stalled a couple of times. Meet Curtis, the new gang member. I got this in one of my 2 trips to the shops today that I forgot to film. Because Maddie's still ill, so I was trying to cheer her up. But then, yeah, more tedious emails. Couple of delicious burritos. And then we watched a bit of TV and kind of done nothing because my brain is saturated. So yeah, hope you all had a good day. And adios.